Okay, today's lesson is about finding parts of 100. A lot of our kids have really struggled with this, and part of the reason is because they're not starting in the ones. When we add or subtract, we always start in the ones, no matter how big our place value is. One way I've taught them how to solve a problem is by using these cards. It gives them a visual representation of tens and ones. So we could make up problems, or if we're doing a worksheet, we'd have an example problem. So for example, we might have 53 plus what number would equal 100. We do this pretty frequently with addition, is that we count on. So we're going to be counting on, but with a double-digit number. So instead of saying I have 3 fingers and I'm going to count on to 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you're counting on with double-digit numbers. The first thing you would do for this problem is build 53. So I'm going to count by tens. I'm trying to insist that students do not count by 1. This is not 1. This is one group of 10. We call it 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we're going to look for a card that has 3 on it. So we have 53. Sorry, those are a little bit out of the picture. There you go, 53. And then we're going to also, so the first thing you want to do is start in the ones. So we ask kids, what would make this a complete group of 10? They can either count the missing spaces, or they can use math to figure out 3 plus what number would equal 10. They'll then find this number in their cards, and they're going to see that 3 plus 5, 6, 7 more will equal a group of 10. So we always start with our ones, and we're trying to make a group of 10. I typically ask my students to keep one part over here, and then they're going to add with their other part over here. So when we put these together, we have a group of 10. Like if they overlapped, they would be 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and with this 10, we now have 60. I'm going to separate these into 2 groups so I can see that I have part. So I have 60 right now, and all I'm going to do is count on 70, 80, 90, 100. So if I add these together, if I have these 2, I know I have 10. These 2 equal 10 together. 7 plus 3 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have 100 all together. The 2 parts I'm adding, part, whole, part was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 53. And the other part, I'll move this ones down to the bottom, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 is my missing part.